In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Cloudways Hosting 2025. If you're looking to get the most out of Cloudways hosting for your online projects, you're in the right place. I'll guide you step by step through every action you need to perform, ensuring you can manage your cloud hosting efficiently and effectively. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to visit the Cloudways website. It's important to start from the platform that simplifies managed cloud hosting. Once you're on the homepage, which is wonderfully intuitive and user-friendly, you'll notice a login button. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. If you're new to Cloudways, you might need to create an account first, but assuming you have your login details ready, proceed to enter them. Upon successful login, you'll find yourself in the Cloudways dashboard. This is your control center for all things related to your hosting needs. The layout is designed to provide you with quick access to the most essential features. From here, you'll want to direct your attention to the My Server option. Clicking on this will take you to the section where you can manage your servers, providing you with a comprehensive overview of all the active servers you're managing. Next, it's time to launch a server. Cloudways offers a range of server configurations based on the cloud providers they partner with, such as Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud Platform, and others. Pick the one that aligns with your project requirements. This step is crucial as it determines the resources you'll have at your disposal. After your server is up and running, navigate to the Applications section. Applications are essentially the services or software solutions you deploy on your server, such as WordPress, Magento, or custom PHP applications. Here, you'll see a list of active applications. To proceed, find the application you wish to work with and click to access it. Accessing your application is the final step. Selecting an application will open a new window showcasing details such as the application URL, credentials, and management options. This is where you can make real-time adjustments, monitor usage, and even set up additional security measures like SSL certificates or backups. Each step we covered today is designed to enhance your experience with Cloudways Hosting 2025, ensuring your website or online application performs at its best. Remember, as you explore further, you'll discover more features that can optimize and secure your hosting environment. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow.